The most detailed surveillance device in your life is not your phone. It is parked in your driveway. Right now, your truck is logging your speed, your location, and exactly how hard you hit the brakes, all to sell that data to the people who want to charge you more for insurance. This video shows you exactly what your truck is collecting, who is buying it, and what you can do about it right now. Real cases, real dollar figures, real names. What your truck actually collects. Most people think connected features mean navigation and Spotify. That is not what is being collected. The FTC blew the whistle on this in 2024. Their report found that automakers were pulling precise GPS location, speed, braking behavior, seatbelt use, and acceleration data from millions of vehicles. And most drivers never agreed to any of it. Take a 2022 Chevy Silverado with OnStar running. That truck logs your GPS position every few seconds. It logs every hard stop. It logs every time you leave the engine idling. And that data does not stay in the truck. If you drive a truck built after 2018 with any connected feature on, Wi-Fi hotspot, remote start, app pairing, you are generating this data right now. Your truck is not just transportation. It is a data collection device. That is not an opinion. That is what the FTC put in writing. And where that data ends up is worse than most owners expect. Where the data goes. Your driving data is sold. Reuters reported in 2023 that GM's OnStar Smart Driver program was handing driving scores over to two companies called LexisNexis and Verisk. Those are data brokers. Their job is to package your behavior and sell it to insurance companies. One driver profiled by the New York Times got their rate raised. No accidents, no tickets. The increase came from a driving score their Buick generated through OnStar. They had no idea it was even running. If your truck has OnStar, FordPass, or Ram Connect active right now, your insurer may already have a profile on it, built entirely from your own truck's data. The data does not sit in a secure vault. It moves, and it moves toward people who use it to charge you more money. Ford, Ram, and the others. In 2023, the Mozilla Foundation reviewed every major automaker on privacy. Toyota, Ford, GM, Ram, all of them. Every single one failed. Ford's FordPass app, standard on F-150 and F-250 trucks, asks for permission to access your location even when the app is not open. That is in the listing right now. Go check it. If you own a new Ford, Ram, Chevy, or Toyota truck, and the manufacturer's app is on your phone, you have two data collection points running at once, the truck and the phone. The brand does not change the answer. Connected features mean data collection, no exceptions. Quick question before we keep going. Did your dealer explain any of this when you signed the paperwork? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I want to see what the actual numbers look like. The legal situation right now. The government is finally starting to pay attention. In January 2025, the FTC filed a formal complaint against GM over exactly this. Here's what GM actually did. The consent form had a box pre-checked for data sharing. You were automatically enrolled. To opt out, you had 30 days after setup to find and uncheck it. Most people never saw it. If you bought a GM truck between 2015 and 2023 with OnStar active and never manually opted out, your data was shared. That is in the FTC complaint, not speculation. GM is the one in the hot seat right now, but they are not the only ones playing this game. If you are driving anything new, any brand, here is how you take your privacy back. What you can actually do. You can reduce exposure. You cannot eliminate it without losing features. NHTSA, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, confirmed in 2022 that most telematics modules stay active even when you shut the screen off. The module is a separate unit from the infotainment system. On a 2021 F-150 with FordPass, you can revoke app permissions, delete the account, and turn off connected services in the truck settings. Do all three, and the app-level tracking stops. The module still logs trips locally, but it stops sending. Here's what to do. 1. Go into your truck's connected services settings and turn off data sharing. 2. Delete the manufacturer's app from your phone or revoke its location access.
3.
Go to the manufacturer's website and submit a data deletion request. Ford, GM, and Stellantis all have these buried in their privacy policy pages. 4. If you drive a GM truck, call OnStar directly at 1-888-4-OnStar and ask for a full opt-out and deletion. None of these steps touch your warranty. You are not modifying anything. You are just using rights that already exist in the privacy policy you were never shown. 10 minutes. Start there. Now, turning off the tracking is one thing, but seeing the file they have already built on you? That is where this gets really interesting. LexisNexis holds a consumer profile on you right now. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you can request it. It is called a consumer disclosure. Most truck owners have never asked for it. The file exists whether you ask or not. The link to request yours is in the description. If this changed how you think about your truck, subscribe. One click. And if you want to know which trucks, built before all of this existed, are still worth buying and still fixable without a dealer laptop, that video is right there. Hold the line, stay analog, keep turning your own wrenches. We will see you in the next one.